This is the KEYCHRON K8 wireless mechanical keyboard that works with Mac and Windows. This model I have has the full RGB per key with hot swappable brown optical mechanical switches. In this video, we're gonna go ahead, do an unboxing, check out the features of this keyboard, and then we're gonna do some typing test as well as some sound test. Coming right up. What's up everybody? My name is Sean. Welcome to my tech channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you like tech videos like this, you will want to hit that subscribe button, and when you turn on the bell notification icon, make sure to click on all so you won't miss my future videos. So if you go on Amazon and search for the brand KEYCHRON, you will see they have a ton of different options available on Amazon. They're very popular, they get really good reviews, and when I saw this KEYCHRON K8 option came up on Kickstarter, I just wanted to jump on and check this out. This is a 10 keyless mechanical keyboard. Basically, it's your full-size keyboard minus numpads. This is a TKL layout. It's one of the most popular keyboard layouts in the market. If you want to go ahead, switch the keycaps, you can easily do so. Dual compatibility, Mac and Windows, we talked about that. You can use this in wireless and wired mode. You can pair up to 3 devices. It has a 4,000 milliamp battery life, and it has 15 light effects that you can switch back and forth. All right, so first we are greeted with this quick start guide. It's pretty cool. It shows you how to turn the lights on or off, switch different modes, how to switch between Mac and Windows, how to pair with different Bluetooth devices. So this is very handy to have. Here's the keyboard itself. The keyboard comes with this dust cover, which is much appreciated. Once you take it off, you will see the keyboard itself. It has the orange escape key, which is kind of like a trademark feature or look of the KEYCHRON keyboard. Most KEYCHRON keyboards, they have the orange escape key. The keyboard weighs about 2 pounds, if I'm not mistaken, or 1 pound and 15 ounces. And the rest of the key colors are 2 different shades of gray. We have a braided USB-A to USB-C with a 90-degree angle. And that is because the port is on the side of the keyboard, so that is much appreciated. And because these are hot swappable keys, so switches, so not only you can change the key caps, but you can also change the switches. And this comes with 2 tools, one for removing the keycaps and one for removing the switches, and literally it takes seconds to do that, which is pretty cool. And these are some additional keys if you want to switch between Mac and Windows. So first impression, I tell you, the keyboard feels more premium than it looks because of the weight to it. It has aluminum frame around the keyboard, and that would help with the look and feel of the keyboard. Now there are different options available for the K8. You can get them just white backlit or RGB, and you can get them in regular switches or optical switches, and you can get them in hot swappable and regular switches. So I got the optical hot swappable brown switches. These are tactile switches, I believe. So as you press down, it takes a bit of a force for you to go ahead, pass and actuate the key. The level of resistance you get, it actually feels really nice. This is the side view. This keyboard definitely is not a thin keyboard, so depending on the style you like, you may or may not appreciate the thickness of this keyboard. So as you can see on this side, you have the port for the USB-C, as well as a switch to go to the wired or wireless mode, as well as a switch to change this from a Mac to a Windows mode. By default, it comes with Mac keys already installed. So in order to activate and try to connect, you hold down the function key and you press and hold 1, 2, or 3. All right. So the blue LED is flashing right here, which means it's ready to pair with my phone. So the letter and number keys, they have a sharper tone to it. Hopefully you guys could hear that. And some of the other legend keys, your shift, your enter key, caps lock, they have more of a dampened sound. So you can switch between 15 different modes by pressing the light key at the top. And within each of them, if there is a different colored selection you can have, you hold on the function button and you press the right or left arrow. To adjust the brightness, you hold down the function button and press F5 or F6. All right, so this is as bright as it gets. It may be difficult to see the light effect, so I'm gonna turn down my key light a little bit so you guys can see how this keyboard looks. So the lights are not as bright as I thought it would. To compare that, this is another mechanical keyboard I have. This actually is a slim mechanical keyboard. I've done a review on this. This is Hexgear X1, and this, just kind of put it side by side. So you can see there is a big difference between the two. And I think I have this as bright as I can get it. I feel like this should get much brighter, but it does not. Let me get this out of the way. This keyboard also has a dedicated Siri or Cortana assistant. So if you're in the Mac mode, when you press this button, it will activate Siri. And when you're in Windows, it will activate Cortana. In the back, you have 5 rubber feet that actually helps with placing it on your table. And you have 2 different sizes of stands. So depending on your typing style or the height of your chair and your desk, you get to choose either flat or at a slight angle or much higher angle. So as far as the keyboard goes, I actually like it better than I thought. The only thing I'm a little bit disappointed is the brightness of the keys. I still think maybe I'm missing something that I can't get this as bright as I can. So this was the other orange key that was included. This is the dedicated light key, which I actually don't mind that to be orange as well. It would give it a nice symmetry with having the escape key be orange on the far left side. So this is how I take out these hot swappable optical switches. And to put it back, simply just put it at the top and slide it in. Just that simple. It literally takes seconds to change these switches. And to put the keycap back on, you would just put it on the top and push down. Actually, one quick correction. If you are in the Mac mode, in order to turn the light up or down, you don't need to hold on the function button. You just simply press F5 and F6 and you can change the brightness of the keyboard. When you're in the Windows mode, you have to hold on the function in order for that to work. Yeah, it looks like there are only 3 levels of brightness. So I can go 1, 2, 3, and that's off. And I can come 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one doesn't make it get any brighter. So there are only 3 levels of brightness. So this was the quick review of the KEYCHRON K8. As of right now, it's not available on Amazon yet, but the moment they are available, I will put my affiliate link down in the description below. If you guys like this video and you want to support me, please give this video a like and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this keyboard. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.